Hey guys, my name is Gio. Today we're doing our 5 photographers shoot 1 model challenge, and we have a bunch of awesome creators from the Orlando area. So we're gonna introduce ourselves. We have.
What's up? My name is Reed. I'm shooting with a Nikon D3400. I'm a portrait photographer from Orlando.
All right.
Hello people, my name is Gerson. I'm a portrait photographer and I'm going to be using the Canon 6D with a 35 Sigma arm.
And my name is Gio. I'm shooting with a Canon 5D Mark III, 85mm 1.2, and I'm a portrait photographer.
My name is Chris. I'm a fashion photographer. I'm going to use the Nikon D850 with the 24-70 lens.
What's up? I'm Kyle. I'm shooting with the Canon T6i 35mm. I'm a nightlife and event photographer in Orlando.
All right, and this has been inspired by Jessica Kobeissi. Shout out to Jessica. And then we have our awesome model. We have Miss Lena.
Hey!
I clap. Why did I clap? Why did I do that? So the rules are, each photographer has 5 minutes to shoot each location and each outfit. All right, so you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Yes.
All
Alright everyone, we're at the first location. I chose the skate park because it's a casual yet aggressive outfit, and we wanted to use the skateboard as a prop, so here we go.
All right, so what did you guys think about Kyle's location?
I thought it was great. I mean, it's very different and it's definitely my style, so I brought out more of my personality.
All right. I felt like the challenging part was the ramps, slipping down the ramps.
Yep, it was
Holding
bad.
on to them, yeah.
All right, so next up we're going to my location. So
Get it.
do it. All right, so we're at the second location, and this is the outfit that I chose. So let's do it.
Yes.
What did you guys think of this location?
It was dope.
Stunning.
Yeah.
Very geo.
Very geo.
Very
Okay.
geo.
Any challenges you guys faced when you were here?
Nah, oh, dude, this is perfect.
That was
It was
stunning.
good.
Great
Good.
shot.
Good weather. Everything's good. All right. Shout out to A Haley Boutique for sponsoring this look. The accessories, the dress. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate it. All right, and off to the next location, which is
Mine.
Chris's location. Let's do it.
Yes!
Let's
Okay.
go.
So this is the outfit that I chose for this location. There's like a lot of bright colored walls and her outfit's very neutral tone. So I think it'll go well. And we're shooting in direct sunlight, so that's a challenge for everyone here. All right, let's go.
Not me, boy. I'm shooting in the shade. Fuck it up. All right, so we just finished with Chris's location. It was very high fashiony. So, what did you guys think?
I loved it.
It was fun.
Beautiful.
It was
It was
fun.
beautiful.
Dude, I
That
thought
was,
great.
that was the
Awesome.
funnest one I've
Yeah,
had.
I wanted to challenge them with direct sunlight, and I think everyone liked it.
Yeah.
So this is my location right here. You can't even see it, but Lena, come here real quick. It's a little vintage vibe I'm having right now. So let's get it.
Woo! Do it. All right, so we just finished with the fourth location, which is Gerson's. We're moving on to location number 5. But before we move on, what did you guys like about this location?
For me, it was dope.
Yeah, it was
dope,
sick.
okay.
I love the outfit. The hat's
I like
awesome.
Wally's.
I had a harder time in this one than all the rest of them.
Yeah,
Why?
this is the
I
most
don't know.
challenging one.
It
I
definitely
had
was
to end up in the middle of the street because shooting with an 85 from
light
up
was
close
it.
is not fun. All right, we're moving on. Let's get it. So this is gonna be Riz's location. Beautiful.
beautiful.
Trailer
Yay.
park. No, not trailer park.
Why should be the
Trailer.
best location though?
All right, so we're gonna kill this location.
Right.
All right, we got Lena, so this is Riz's
Yay.
outfit
Oh,
of
yeah.
choice. Hopefully we kill it. Make it rain. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
we just wrapped up Reed's location. All right, so before we wrap it up, I want to ask each photographer what was their favorite location and why.
At first I was unsure about the yellow wall in front of Sam Flax, but it turned out to be one of my favorites because of the fisheye shots I got.
All right.
For me, the yellow wall was definitely the coolest one. The outfit was just perfect.
The same thing, I loved my location, and the outfit was super dope, and Lena slayed every pose.
All right.
I loved it.
For me, I have to say Chris's location too. And that's funny because it's way out of my comfort zone. I usually don't shoot that kind of stuff. I usually don't shoot fashion, but I'll have to say Chris's location and outfit as well. And Lena, she killed it.
I would say the same thing. Chris killed it with the location today. It was amazing. The vibrant colors and everything was good.
All right, and Lena, what was your favorite outfit?
Yeah, be honest.
Okay.
And look, you gotta be honest.
Okay, my favorite outfit, honestly, is a tie between Gio's and Chris's. Like, they both were pretty much my vibe. When it comes to location, of course, the most said one, which was the yellow wall. I really loved it. It's very much like my personality, super vibrant. I also really like the skate park because that one was just all me. Like, I didn't even have to try. Like, it was super dope. So I just want to say thank you guys for even like choosing me to be the model. It's like
Shout
such
out
an
to
honor.
Lena.
Shout out to Lena. And then the man behind the camera of all this,
Matt.
Mr. Matt.
Yes, everyone go follow him. Love photography.
So guys, make sure that you guys pick which outfits and which location is the best when you post pictures. It's a wrap.
I'm hungry.